Hey Daniel, I just wanted to add one thing to the website. If we could add a new section here, I'll walk through it really quickly. So if you look at the applicants page for learn about the interview, and you scroll down, you see the prepare for the interview section, and it gives different resources: practice interview, meet with a tutor, interview prep course. So what I would like to do here is I'd like to add this section to the E3PT, prepare for the E3PT page. So essentially we would add that section right here between understanding the E3PT and improving your score. It would go right here. We would need to make a few changes. Really quickly, I'll just go over what those changes would be. Anywhere it says interview, it would say E3PT. So practice E3PT, prepare for the E3PT, etc. Experience the full E3PT. This would be $0. It'd be free. So say free here, just in capital letters, say free. And then register, that link would go to the same link right here, the same link. Meet with a tutor, that stays the same. And for this one, we can just link it to that same link for now. In the future, we'll have a different course that we name differently. So this should say E3PT prep course. And then so just click here and go to that. Click here and go to that same link. This will be the same link. This link needs to be updated. Other than that, everything else is the same. Let me know if you have any questions.